Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I have a parcel today, and this has come to me from the good people at FGNORMAL.com. I've been showing their products for quite a while now. Loved everything I've had, and I have just recently done a completion review for them, so I hope you enjoyed seeing that. But these are some new things, yes. So thank you FGNORMAL for sending them. So we have, oh, somebody's looking at us. Oh, sneak peek. Canvas and a box. Yay! We do like getting things in a box. Okay, what shall we look at first? Let's look at what's in the box first. Do you know, it's getting ever so dark in here today. It's only about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it just feels as though night's really setting in. Goodness me. I suppose it'll just carry on getting darker until Christmas. And then, what is it, 21st of December is the longest, sorry, the shortest day, the longest day. Where are you, Liz? Okay, so what's in this little box? Let's see. Oh, lots of bits. Okay. And we have, a little bit of foam there. Oh, and it's a wooden ornament as well. But before I go any further, I better tell you about the special offers. So it is coming up to Black Friday. FG Normal do have 25% off one item. So if there's something you've been looking at for a while, you can get 25% off something. There is also, I believe, a £2 off as well. And then if you spend over £40, there is £3.99 off your order. And I believe it's over £40 is free shipping as well. So if there's bits and pieces that you're wanting to get, there's still plenty of time to get them done for Christmas. So do go and check them out. But yeah, those offers are brilliant. 25% off an item. If there's something that you've been wanting, that's a lot of money off your item. So, and it does show you as you go through the checkout, it will show you where your money off is, and it tells you at the top what you need to spend and what you need to do to get all your special offers. So yeah, I do like the fact that they do all the hard bit for you. Oh, this looks lovely. Yay, I think you may be able to tell what this one is. So we have a pen, boat and wax, our standard little toolkit. We have our crystals, special shapes and everything, all in little grip seal bags. So this one is all kitted up and ready to go, which is excellent. And we do have crystal and gem codes as well. Yay! We like having the codes on so we can kit them down. Okay, so we've got, 1, 2, 3. We've got 3 little wooden rings. Do you remember what they came with last time I did something like this? We've got a little round with a little slot in it, and a little bit bigger round with a slot in, and an even bigger round with a slot in. And it is one of the candle holders. But look at this one. I could not resist. It's the Gonks. Oh, actually the gnomes. Look, you can see the eyes. You can actually see the little eyes. So these are gnomes. So it's 3 gnomes in a wreath. But these are fabulous. I love these. I really do love these wooden ones. I think they're excellent. Really good fun. And I couldn't resist this one. It's just brilliant. Really, oh dear. So this will go in gnome corner. So when I get all my gnome pictures round where hubby sits in the corner, this will be going next to him with a candle on to light him up. I hasten to add, it will be a battery operated tea light. I wouldn't recommend putting naked flames near wood. I can't imagine it would particularly end well. Right, I'm just going to switch this light on. So yeah, so it's just a little battery operated tea light that I've got there. And yeah, they're really good fun, these, really useful for all your wooden objects. So this all goes together. That sits on there. So that will just slot onto there. They all need sticking onto there. And then your little tea light sits in the top. So, I mean, you can put anything in it. You could put, you know, if you've got some sort of protection, maybe a votive that comes in a little pot, a glass pot or something that you're sure is not going to come over the top, then you could use that. But I just think these are quite pretty. And yeah, and then these will go on the bottom so that it's a little bit more of a stand a little bit more of a statement piece. I mean, if you wanted to, you could either colour these wooden bits in and put gems on them. If you've got some of the magic glue, you could put gems on, or you can use sealer actually as well to put in gems on with, but it dries pretty quickly. You can use whatever mediums. If you've got some of like the quickie glue pens, you could colour it in and then put glitter on it if you like glitter. Yeah, we've all got our own taste. If you've got lots of other craft supplies, then yeah, great fun. So yeah, that will be there, that will be on there. I will just switch this light back on again, and look, it will just light them up. Oh, they're just fabulous. Look at the way they're sat with the little feet. Hang on, let me just take that off there. Oh, take the base off as well. But yeah, so it's leaving you really, I mean, there is nothing wrong with leaving it as is, but when I see sort of like bare wood, blonde wood, I do start thinking, oh, I could do this with it and I could do that with it. So yeah, the crafter in me does come out, and this would look quite pretty with some gems. I'm sure there will be gems left over from this, so you could add some of those as well. Just make sure you don't go obviously over your edges that go into your bits, otherwise yeah, you're going to get a bit stuck. Do you think they all look surprised? I think they're triplets because they do all look identical. Yeah, I think we can only tell the difference because he's got like holly in his hat and his is stuck up that way, and his is really curly that way, and his is really curly that way, the hats. So yeah, that's maybe how the mum tells them apart. But aren't they fabulous? Oh, he's got red gloves on as well, and that one's got green gloves. Or has he? That does look like a green glove, unless that's part of the leaves, maybe. And he's got a red glove, and he's got a red glove. Oh. But I just thought there is a lot of different ones. I'll put a screenshot of all the others as well. But these have been one of my favourite things that have come out recently. I just think they're fabulous. And that just has really made me smile. It's the fact that they've got eyes. They just look so startled. It's like you've turned the lights on and they've gone, ooh. And they're all just sat on the little bottoms with the feet out. That is just so cute. But yeah, we've got all these stars around as well, look. Oh, he's gorgeous. Right, let's have a quick look at these specials. Do you know if it gets any darker, I'm going to have to get a torch to see what I'm doing. Never mind putting a light on. I'm trying not to put the light on so we don't have to have any shadows or anything, but I think we're losing this battle. Right, just put that out the way. That doesn't come with it. I have bought that myself, so yeah, but they're easily picked up in the shops. You know, you can soon find the little battery operated tea lights. So we've got some little red marquees, which, where are they going to? Oh, they're the little poinsettia down here, look. And some little gold marquees. They're pretty, so they're all going on the stars. Some slightly larger round in red, so they're like the little mini cabochons. So oh yeah, you can see number 8, it's all just dotted about, just about, you can see. And then we've got some large we've got some gold rounds with facets on, and they're number 7, so they're up here, look, very pretty. I hope they haven't sat on some holly leaves. They do all look very startled, I have to say, but look at the moustaches, aren't they great? They're just making me smile every time I look at them. It's making me want to laugh. Oh, there's some of the larger gold down there as well. So that's all of the special ones. And then we've got some like bluey grey, lime green. Oh, look at that aqua blue. That's pretty. Standard silver. And your Christmassy red. And Christmassy gold. So lovely colours in this, and we have then 10 different gems and colours. So very, very pretty, but that is excellent. I just love that. The faces are wonderful. Just couldn't resist it. Yeah, and the price of this one was, before any discounts, £6.99. So great value for money. I mean, they're great for presents. If you're wanting them for like Christmas presents and things, there is plenty of time to get them. In fact, actually, really, you'd need 2, wouldn't you, on either side of your fireplace? Oh, those faces. They're just making me laugh. Right, and the next one then, the price of this one is £3.99 before any discounts. Cheaper than a cup of coffee and a biscuit. Okay, it's just a little 30 by 30 diamond painting, but very, very Christmassy. And look at that. Is she not beautiful? We've got our standard pen button wax. Oh, we're all crystals. But look, again, I just saw her and I just thought, oh, I've got to have her. I'm saying it's a she because those eyelashes are just fantastic. And look at the little smile and the little pink cheeks. And then she's got this beautiful Merry Christmas bauble all decorated with gems, look. So do you think she's done that herself and she's come to say, oh, Merry Christmas? And she's a little bit embarrassed because she's done it all herself. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love it. Right, let's give it a quick flatten down. She's got a lovely Christmas tree in the background as well. So she's a very, very pretty little snow person. Snow girl. I think she's only a young one, isn't she? But she's well wrapped up with her hat with this beautiful decoration on it there. Look at all the crystals on there. And then she's got her little gloves and her scarf to match. Very long scarf, look, all trailing. And then we've got all these snowflakes all dotted around that are going to have gems on them as well. So there is only 5 different gems and colours in this, but there are crystal and gem codes on it. So wow, quite a quickish one to do, but very, very pretty. And just look at that smile. Who could resist that little smile and the little carrot nose? Oh, she's gorgeous. Let's give her a quick measure. Say she's a 30 by 30, but I do believe she will be 25 centimetres, 9 3/4 inches. So she'll fit in your little 30 by 30 magnetic frames wonderfully. She does need a little bit of a flatten though, because she has got slightly creased on the way over here while she's been wrapped around the gems. But just put her under something heavy or in a folder or something, just to flatten her out a little bit. You can iron your canvases, but obviously don't do it with the gems on. I speak from experience. And yeah, just try a little bit from the back first and see what temperature you need your iron. But yeah, isn't this wonderful? Look at all these baubles. That's a huge bauble compared to that tree. That's going to be one that's like this huge. Oh, I've got Millie Moo's just joined me. Come for a little bit of a sniff round. She does have a bone buried in my craft room. It tends to go from place to place from time to time. So we'll see what's happening with that. But she is just so pretty. And she's got a red star on top of the tree. So that's a different one. Normally it's like a gold or a silver star, isn't it, on top of a tree? So she's a little bit of a rebel because we've put a red one up there. It's because she's a crafter, look. She's done this Merry Christmas bauble and she's a crafter. So she's probably made the star for the top of the tree as well and decided to go red. Yay, Christmas red. But this is beautiful as well here. I'd quite like one of those for my hair. Very nice. Right, let's have a look at the colours and see what we've got. So, as I say, just the 5 different gems and colours. So we have 3 crystals, wow, in a gorgeous Christmassy red, a Christmassy green, and that wonderful clear sparkly silver. And then 2 specials, which are your large reds with facets on and large silver. And have they got facets on? No, they're semi-spheres. Ooh, so no facets on those. You do get a very, very different sparkle on ones that don't have any facets on. So what numbers are we? We are 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 are all on the Christmas tree and on that bauble. And they're also, so this little headpiece here, this little decoration, is going to have the silver ones without any facets on in the middle, and then surrounded by red and green, and then just your standard silver. So that will really sparkle. And then all of your snowflakes are going to be your standard silver crystals. So really sparkly. But isn't she pretty? Look at that little face. Who could resist that little smile? Snow wouldn't melt. rather than butter wouldn't melt. Sorry, bad jokes, bad jokes. So 2 wonderful projects to do from FG Normal, ready for Christmas. Very cute and very funny. So we've got this gorgeous candle holder, which, as I say, is one of my favourite things that have come out this year. I think they're so useful, and yeah, just so much fun as well. Great for little presents and things. And because this one is like left as like the bare wood, the blonde wood, you can just decorate it up yourself. You can leave it as is, or you can add to it, so your crafting skills can come out if you want to be a little bit Christmassy. And then this is just so cute and funny. She's gorgeous with those eyelashes. Oh, and those little pink cheeks. Okay, well, a huge thank you, FG Normal, for sending me these. I do love them. They're so much fun. Do go and check out all those special offers, as I say, while they're still on. If you're watching this in a couple of months' time, then obviously check what offers are on. They usually do have some really good offers on, so it's always worth checking. And if you've enjoyed looking at this with me, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you won't miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.